Imagine installing a full Kubernetes app with one command. Kubernetes originally required dozens of YAML files per application. Deploying was complex, repetitive, and error-prone. Helm solved this with templated packages called charts. With microservices, developers deploy hundreds of components. Helm brings consistency, repeatability, and simplicity. Helm is the app store of Kubernetes. Search, install, upgrade, repeat. Expect AI-generated charts, dependency-aware upgrades, and secure by default templates. Helm didn't just simplify Kubernetes, it made it accessible,